Home Remedies presents a miraculous method that destroys foot and nail fungus. Nail fungus is a common infection of the nail. It begins as a white or yellow-brown spot under the tip of your fingernail or toenail. Iodine has broad-spectrum antibacterial activity that has been recognized since the early 19th century. It also is active against yeast, mold, viruses, and fungi. Researchers have reported that iodine can be effective against warts and nail fungus. So I found decolorized iodine works remarkably well for toenail fungus. Applied to the top of the nail and around the cuticle, it dries quickly and does not stain stockings or bedding. I obtained a bottle of 2.5% decolorized iodine tincture and applied 1 drop of the solution daily with occasional lapses to the tip of the affected toenail. The iodine traveled rapidly into the depths of the affected tissues. After 2 weeks, a silver of normal-looking nail appeared at the proximal end of the affected nail. Encouraged, I continued the treatment. The nail grew at the normal slow rate and the diseased area gradually moved. The nail is now apparently normal. After this, I started using it about once a week for maintenance and prevention. I don't want ugly toenails ever again. You can also prepare a mixture of 2 capsules of betadine in a warm water tub. Mix thoroughly and soak your feet inside. You should leave your feet inside for at least 20 minutes. Make sure to repeat the process several times a day. Betadine for toenail fungus will take some time to work. You will also have to be patient meanwhile. However, if you are disciplined, you will be able to treat the issue within months. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.